Welcome to DentalPrints, where we combine precision, innovation, and technology to revolutionize dental care. Today, let's walk through our advanced process of three-dimensional printing dental crowns and bridges. It all starts with a digital impression. Using state-of-the-art intraoral scanners, we capture high-resolution images of your teeth. This eliminates the need for messy, traditional impressions, providing comfort and accuracy. Next, our skilled dental technicians use specialized software to design your crown or bridge. They meticulously ensure that the design fits perfectly with your existing teeth, considering factors like occlusion, aesthetics, and functionality. Material choice is crucial. At DentalPrints, we offer a variety of materials from biocompatible resins to zirconia, each chosen based on the specific needs of your dental restoration for durability and appearance. With our design finalized, we move to the 3D printing phase. Using high-precision printers, we layer the chosen material. Our printers ensure that every detail, from the crown's fit to its surface texture, is replicated with exactness. After printing, the crown or bridge undergoes post-processing. This includes cleaning, curing, and sometimes sintering for materials like zirconia to achieve the necessary strength. We then polish and color match the restoration to blend seamlessly with your natural teeth. Quality is our hallmark. Each piece is inspected using advanced imaging to check for fit, shape, and finish. We ensure there are no imperfections before it moves to the final stage. Once approved, your custom dental crown or bridge is ready for delivery to your dentist. Here it's fitted, ensuring both functionality and aesthetics are top-notch. We're proud to provide dental solutions that not only look good but feel natural. At DentalPrints, we're committed to excellence in every step. From the moment we start to the final fit, we ensure your dental health is in the best hands. Experience the future of dentistry with us.